question. Is 0.99999 repeating forever equal to 1? Or is it just really, really close? Most people's gut says close, but not quite. I'm going to prove to you 3 different ways that it's not close, it's not almost 1, it is 1. Same number, just written differently. Here's the thing about 2 different numbers. If they're actually different, you should be able to find something in between them. Like between 1 and 2, there is 1.5. Between 0.9 and 1, there is 0.95. So what's between 0.999 repeating and 1? Try to write a number bigger than 0.999 but smaller than 1. You can't. There is no gap. And if there is no gap between 2 numbers, they are not 2 numbers. They are the same number, wearing a different outfit. Let's make it concrete. You already know that 1/3 as a decimal is 0.333 repeating forever. That's not controversial, that's just long division. So now multiply both sides by 3. Left side is 3/3 and right side is 0.999 repeating forever. But 3/3 is just 1. There it is. No trick, no rounding, just multiplication. Here is a second way if you want to see it in pure algebra. Let's call 0.999 x. X is equal to 0.999 repeating forever. Now multiply both sides by 10. Notice 9.999 repeating is the same repeating pattern, just shifted one place. On the left, 10x minus x is just 9x. On the right, all the repeating 9's after the decimal point cancel perfectly because both numbers have infinitely many of them. Now divide both sides by 9 and you get x is equal to 1. And remember, x was defined as 0.999, so 0.999 repeating is equal to 1. Now if your brain is still resisting, that's normal. Here's why. Most people think of 0.99 repeating forever as a process. Like you're counting something. You're counting 9's one at a time forever, getting closer to 1, but never arriving. But that's not what the notation means. 0.999 repeating is already the finished infinite thing. It's not approaching 1, it's a fixed number that happens to be equal to 1. The same way 2/4 and 1/2 are just 2 different labels for the same value. If you still don't believe me, that's good. Argue with me in the comments or tell me which proof convinced you or which one you still don't buy.